For classic car restoration, trust the experts at DMC Custom Vehicles.
We all love the Tri-5 Chevrolets. I built my first 55 Chevy 50 years ago, and since then we've built dozens of them. We know exactly how to build these Tri-5s the right way, and we're good at it. Our custom-built radiator system fits perfectly in any Tri-5, whether it's a big block, small block, or LS engine. And there's no problem with overheating up to 750 horsepower. We take a stock frame, upgrade the components, and make it sit just right, ride and handle just right, and hook up perfectly. You'll be surprised just how nice we make a stock frame and suspension work. And if you want, we also stock the Art Morrison complete frame and suspension packages. Take a look at our award-winning custom interiors. We kind of like to retain that classic look, but still build in some custom and modern components. We design and build these interiors all in-house, so we're able to give you exactly what you want. Whether you want a custom or maybe just a stock interior, DMC can do it. Another thing we do a lot is to rewire many of these cars. We use only the finest wiring components, and we usually add these really cool Dakota digital gauges that people really like a lot. When we build and install an engine, we usually always dyno tune it and break it in before it's installed in the car. That way you know exactly what you have for torque and horsepower. It's the only way to do it. We've custom painted literally thousands of high-quality custom paint jobs using candy paints, pearl paints, custom graphics, flames, whatever you can think of, we've probably done it. With that kind of experience, it's no wonder we win Best Paint Awards year after year. The one thing that makes a great paint job is the preparation. The metalwork and the bodywork must be perfect in order for the paint jobs to look so nice. There's just no shortcut on what it takes to create these show-quality custom paint jobs. If you want to build a Tri-5 Chevy or just need help finishing or upgrading yours, call us. We can help you. Hi, this is Dave Mock. I started this company in 1975. Go to our website at dmcvehicles.com and see jobs in progress and completed jobs and see the whole range of what we do.
Old school, new tech, DMC Custom Vehicles. Online at dmcvehicles.com.